Hey guys, this is Mike Bradley with Lightheart Labs. And Grace is away. I'm sitting here with the dogs. And like all men do when their wives are away, I'm going to make a video about how you guys can vibe code a website. So this is Hosting Your Horizons. Super cool website. You can pretty much type anything in here and you can build your own websites. For starters, this is like, for instance, the Lightheart Labs website. I made this for myself. I used Hosting Your Horizons to do it. Pretty nice. It's got like little widgets and features. Uh, Good call to action, hero section. I kept it super simple because that's just my aesthetic. And we're going to build something like this right in front of you today with Hosting Your Horizons. So for starters, I went to ChatGPT and I just took my website and I fed images of it to GPT. I just took a couple of screenshots and said, hey, this is my website. Can you build something similar for me with Hostinger? So it generated a prompt for me, and I'm just going to take that prompt and I'm going to drop it right into that bar on Hostinger. So Hostinger is super easy to use, super cheap. As you can see, I'm just adding some English here. Boom, sending it off away. It's going to start working on my website immediately. You can see it instantly kicking up code. In the background, you'll start on the lower left-hand side, seeing the website building agent pop up. It's very excited to be building our website and says, let's go, exclamation point, rocket emoji, and that it's working on our website right now. On average, these things take, 3 to 4 minutes to build. So a couple of things about Hostinger just while we're doing this. One, it's not purely vibe coding. You can do a lot of different things with this website and application. So one of the features of it is if you know JavaScript, if you can actually directly edit websites with code, you get that function. You'll see up here on the bar, a preview bar, an edit content bar, and a code bar. If you just click the code bar, it'll give you every single one of the JavaScript files that were built to create the website. You can directly edit them yourself. It's super easy. I can show you how to do that as well. The edit content tab over here will highlight a bunch of the text fields. And then you can just highlight text fields, delete stuff, type things manually. So even though it's doing a lot of things via vibe coding and like this agent website builder, you can still get pretty granular in terms of the way that you edit the website. It's like anything else. So even if you're a super awesome website builder, if you're not using this, you're crazy. You could just spin up all of the bones of your website, all of the infrastructure for it super, super fast. And then you can edit individual panes, either vibe coding or just hacking and slashing the Java code to make alterations. So the website building agent is saying it's all done. It's ready to go. So it should be loading up any minute here. Super exciting. So again, it's only been a couple of minutes. Boom. Okay. We've got some floating buttons, some good advertisements. We've got the ability to contact Lightheart Labs off of contact buttons. It's copied our sections pretty darn well for talking about our value prop and the things that we believe in. Founder section and our call to action at the bottom. So that's pretty awesome when you think about it. It even took the individual organizations that we're members of, the Sustainable Business Network, shout out to those guys, and the Philadelphia Alliance of Capital and Technologies, absolutely awesome people. It actually caught that and it turned those into individual logos, which is super awesome. So again, here's the edit content tab. So when you hit it, you can make any edits directly right here. Maybe I don't want to build what matters with AI. Maybe I want to build what matters with Al. That's an option that I have. But I can edit all those individual text fields, super, super easy. With JavaScript, if I go into the code, I can look at features here. This is going to be intimidating if you're not JavaScript native, but like an important thing to take away from this is it's truly your website. All of this stuff you can just download and it belongs to you. It doesn't sit on this website. You're not trapped with these people. This is all your stuff and you generated it super, super cheap and super, super fast. You have a publish button here. So anytime I want, I can just hit the publish button, and that'll publish it to a temporary domain and website address. So I can click around on it, mess with it, see how I feel about it. Right here, you're going to see a get domain function. So in the old days, you would have to go through GoDaddy and hosting web services and all kinds of crazy stuff just to be able to get a website online. Super simple with Hostinger. They'll host the website if you want, super duper cheap, and you can get a domain half the time for free with your account. When it's not free, it's like $1 or $2. It's super cheap, super convenient. If you were going to try to do things like editing JavaScript code, I'll show you one of like the biggest AI industry secrets that you can have here. So let's say I wanted to make an alteration to the hero section. Let's see what that looks like here. Apply for lab time, one-to-one charitable give back. All right, so I'm going to go to the hero section. I'm going to copy all of the text associated with it. I can literally just paste that into GPT. And I'm going to say something like, alter this hero section to not mention charitable give back. Not that I would ever want to do that, because that's a core part of what we're doing as a company, but just as a fun example. So ChatGPT is going to look at this. It's going to look at the code that I just fed it, and it's going to give me JavaScript code back that I could literally take, copy, paste, put directly into that hero section, replace what's there, and I've made my alterations. So if you're intimidated by like the JavaScript side of things, like, don't be. It's a totally new day and age. So many things are possible that used to not be possible. Hit save here, boom, go to preview, ta-da. All right, I removed that button. So even if I didn't know how to do that in JavaScript, I didn't need to know how to do it. All I really needed to do was isolate the section where that rolls and feed it to GPT, and GPT gave me back edited JavaScript code. So anybody out there who has a website, if it's not that great, you no longer have any excuses whatsoever for not making it incredible. You can talk to this terminal as much as you want. It'll keep editing things for you. If you're looking to build a website, you no longer have any excuses not to build it yourself. It's always my pleasure to work with you guys. It's always my pleasure to show things like this. And if you have any difficulties with this whatsoever, if you want any help, just give me a shout. And with that, we've democratized website building for everyone in this audience. I hope you guys are doing great. I hope you're having an incredible day. And as always, take care.